Crafty people, looky here. Do you see what that is? Yep. I'm going to be working on a configuration box. But you don't know what paper collection I'm using. All right. So, I got a haul from ASC Supplies on Etsy. And I want to share it with you. So, I got the Graphic 45 Princess Collection. It is so pretty. And Graphic 45, I think, really likes this color palette, because there have been a lot of collections that have this color palette. And they are double-sided. Very pretty. And I don't know why. I did order the ephemera, but oh, must have been in here and this got cut and they came out. All right. So really, really pretty stuff. And guys, I'm just going to tell you right now. I'm really thinking about doing a mini album with this collection. My only problem is I think I need to order a 12 by 12 before I can do that. But I can get started. All right. I also picked up Garden Goddess. Again, a real similar color palette. But a really pretty collection. Okay. I got the stickers. And they're double-sided. Not double-sided stickers, but there's stickers on this side and stickers on that side. And then I saw flowers. So I had to have flowers. So I got, they call this Classic Ivory and Natural Linen. What do they call this one? Precious Pink. But I'm going to be honest with you guys. This is more of a salmon. This one is Bon Voyage and French Blue. They were just gorgeous. I had to get them. This one is Triumphant Red. And French Lilac and Purple Royalty. 15 pieces in each one of these. So, that's what I got. Wanted to tell you all Christmas items, 30% off. Join the Facebook group. They have games, giveaways, and flash sales. If you spend over $75, your shipping is free. And that's it. So I'm going to let you guess what I'm going to do with that. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy scrappy day. Bye.